Exercise while on keto. 6 tips to burn fat safely and feel your best. 1. Begin your exercise routine slowly. Even though exercise and the keto diet go hand in hand, you shouldn't force yourself to exercise if you don't feel like it. Your body goes through a considerable metabolic adjustment period when you start the keto diet, transitioning from using glucose as its main fuel source to using ketones instead. While everyone adjusts differently, the average adjustment period can last anywhere between 1 and 3 weeks. This adjustment is known as the keto flu. It gets easier and more fun after your body gets used to being in ketosis, so pay attention to your body and cut back your workouts as necessary. 2. Pick a pre-workout that is keto-friendly. Even though using a pre-workout supplement that is keto-friendly is essential, it can be difficult because the majority of products on the market tend to be packed with sugar, which can cause you to enter ketosis. One of the finest pre-workouts for keto is pure C8 MCT oil, since it helps you exercise more effectively by boosting your energy and metabolism. Your body quickly breaks down C8 MCTs and turns them into ketones for long-lasting energy, a better workout, and ultimately maximum benefits when taken 30 to 60 minutes before a workout. 3. Choose strength training instead of HIIT exercises. When following a ketogenic diet, aerobic exercise, also known as low-intensity, steady-state cardio exercises, is the best type of workout. This covers yoga, stability training, and strength training. The reason is because since the body is fat adapted when in a state of ketosis, you'll experience even greater weight reduction benefits. The body uses fat as its main energy source during lower-intensity aerobic activities. 4. Increase your carb intake if you are doing high-intensity workouts. Normal keto diets may not be able to support a high-intensity exercise program, but a specialized keto approach offers a workaround. A keto dieter with a very active lifestyle can easily have an additional 15 to 30 grams net carbs from simple carbohydrates, like fruit, 30 to 60 minutes before a high-intensity workout, while a regular keto dieter consumes anywhere between 20 and 40 grams of net carbs per day. Please take note that in order to stay in ketosis, it's crucial to consume these extra carbs within the recommended window of 30 to 60 minutes before to a vigorous workout. Check your nutrition, especially your fat intake. When leading an active lifestyle, how you fuel yourself matters, and eating the right foods while on a ketogenic diet is no exception. It's crucial to feed your body well when following a regular exercise regimen in order to adequately fuel your exercises, encourage the growth of lean muscle mass, and facilitate a speedy recovery. Pay attention to your body. The ability to customize your experience to what works best for you is one benefit of the keto diet. While promoting a healthy lifestyle, combining a clean keto approach with your preferred workout can speed up weight loss and increase overall energy. However, there is no one-size-fits-all template, so it is up to you to determine how to do this. If you need keto diet plan recipes, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.